at the written details on this page. Right now, I'm wearing shorts and a button-down shirt for obvious reasons, but once you figure out what you're going to rock underneath the kilt, you're good to proceed. Next, we're gonna put on our socks. You might wanna grab a chair to make this easier. I'm gonna grab one really quickly. Once you're sitting, go ahead and put on your socks. The only thing you have to worry about here is bringing your socks all the way up to the knee.
Note that your socks may be different colors depending on what you ordered or purchased.
Once you got your socks on, you're good to move on to the flashes. Now the flashes are intended to help keep your sock up, as well as give your outfit a little bit of flair.
The flash should rest about 2 inches below the knee, and we shall start with the right leg. Starting from where your knee transitions into the shin, place 4 fingers, put the flash below your pinky finger, and then secure the flash by wrapping the Velcro strap around your leg. It should be snug at this point. Position the flash to the right of your shin and then fold down your sock so that your sock covers up the white strap. Typically, I will do 2 or 3 folds with my sock. Repeat this process with your left leg. Again, you do not want the flash right in the middle of your leg, but rather off-center to the left if it's your left leg, and to the right if it's your right leg.
All right, so we're ready for step 4, which is putting on the shoes. This is a Ghillie brogue. These are the shoes you're going to wear if you have purchased or rented them. And I am going to show you how to put them on. For those of you who are planning to wear regular shoes, you can go ahead and skip this step, but I'm gonna show it for those who have it.
Let us start with our right foot. After you place your foot in the Ghillie brogue, pull the laces tight and intertwine your laces 3 times. Pull laces tight once again. Next, wrap the laces around the ankle and then finish by tying your laces like a regular shoe. It helps to move the laces higher up on the leg as you are wrapping them around your leg. The only certain guideline for your laces is to ensure that when you tie them, they are higher up on the leg compared to the intertwined section. Repeat the process with your left foot. Forgive my worn out Ghillie brogues, yours should look much nicer. I wear these shoes each time I go play the bagpipes, and I play the bagpipes a lot.
Once you are done putting on flashes, socks, and Ghillie brogues or your shoes, you are good to go on to the upper body. All right, next we're gonna put on the shirt. So whatever shirt you have, I just have a plain button-down white long sleeve shirt. Whatever you have, go ahead and put it on because it's much easier to put on the kilt afterwards and not have to worry about tucking in the shirt after you have the kilt on. It'll already be on, tucked in, and good to go. So once you have your shirt on, you can skip forward to the next step. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, putting on the kilt. I have the last pieces to my outfit here, and now we put on the kilt. All right, so with the kilt in hand, you're gonna open it up first like a towel behind you. Once it's here, you're just going to simply move your right hand across your body, loop the buckle, the strap through the buckle, fasten it, and the left side needs to go on the other side where the other 2 buckles are. Strap through the first, and strap through the second. Now I like mine around here, around my waistline. Other people have it up more higher to their belly. Really, just make sure you're comfortable in the kilt. It doesn't matter where it is precisely, but it should be around the hip, the belly, however you feel comfortable. All right, so step 7 and step 8 are both put on the belt and put on this sporran, and I'm gonna show you how to do both in this step. Before I put on the belt and sporran, just remember that both of these and the kilt have different adjustments in their straps and their buckles. So just keep in mind that you're going to have to adjust the belt as well as the sporran to get it right where you want it. You're going to take the belt, and there are different straps on the kilt here. So thread it through these straps, one right here. There's one behind you as well that you have to kind of feel out with your hands. There could be 2 to 3. Bring it all the way around and strap it in. Now we put on the sporran. Again, you want to thread this through the straps. 2 and 3. Once you have it here, I find it easy just to rotate it like this, put it through the buckle, and I have to go all the way down to the last buckle loop. Rotate it around, and it should fit somewhere around here. And in the final step, you can put on whatever accessories you want. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my tie, my vest, and my jacket. But if you have a tuck shirt, you might wanna put on a bow tie. You might wanna put on a hat if it's a fancy formal event. Or you might wanna put on a kilt pin, or even the knife in your sock. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed completely, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. So I'm finally dressed. This is what the complete look looks like. There's one thing I wanna show you, and that's the knife.
This knife, or skein-dhu, can be placed inside the sock and should look something like this, where you can see the hilt of the skein-dhu.
Congratulations, you're all dressed and ready to go to your event. Hopefully this video has helped you get dressed, and good luck at your event. If you'd like us to produce any other videos that would help you in your Scottish dress, Scottish outfit, bagpipe,